Hi, you look nice today.
Thanks. I was worried you'd think I overdressed.
Not at all. I almost wore a hoodie.
A hoodie would have been cute, honestly.
I changed outfits 3 times.
I tried 6, gave up, and stuck with this.
I was nervous the whole time coming here.
I dropped my phone twice from stress.
I rehearsed a smile in the mirror.
I practiced saying hi like 10 times.
I thought I'd trip walking in.
I nearly bumped into the door.
But hey, we made it.
Barely, but yes, we did.
This place smells like coffee and decisions.
And a little bit of panic.
Panic, I'm trying not to show mine.
You're hiding it well, like a pro.
I ordered the same coffee 3 times this week to test it.
That's oddly adorable.
I Googled first date topics.
I Googled how not to sweat during a date.
All I got was just be yourself.
The worst advice ever.
My self is a chaotic gremlin.
Mine sings to cats and forgets wallets.
Do you come here often? Wow, that sounded cliché.
It did, but I'll allow it. You delivered it well.
Thank you. I've been practicing in the mirror.
Did the mirror applaud?
It fogged up. I think that was applause.
That's poetic. I love it.
I'm glad you didn't cancel.
I almost did, but my friend pushed me out the door.
Remind me to thank your friend.
I'll text her after dessert.
What do you usually do for fun?
I make playlists I never finish. You.
I write to-do lists I never follow.
We're meant to be.
Do you ever pretend to text just to avoid eye contact?
Only every day. It's an art form.
Same, especially in elevators.
And in waiting rooms.
You have a nice laugh, by the way.
Yours sounds like nervous happiness. I like it.
I'm 80% nerves, 20% coffee right now.
I'm 60% coffee, 40% internally screaming.
I practiced small talk, but forgot everything.
Me too. I was gonna mention the weather.
It's always the weather, isn't it?
Yep, safe, boring, and always available.
You seem really easy to talk to.
That's because I'm panicking calmly.
Calm panic, impressive skill.
Years of training.
I admire your bravery ordering something fancy.
I regretted it instantly. It has foam art.
It's a heart. Look,
It's melting like my social energy.
I hope I'm not being too weird.
Please be weirder. I feel more normal that way.
Okay, I talk to my plants.
I name my socks. We're even.
Wait, really? What's your sock's name today?
Lefty and Lord Fuzz.
I can't compete with that.
No one can.
This date is more fun than I thought it would be.
Same. I thought I'd fake a phone call to escape.
That makes me feel special.
You should. You passed the vibe test.
There was a vibe test.
You passed with flying awkward colors.
I'm honored, truly.
It's a big deal. I don't vibe with many.
Can I admit something?
Only if it's mildly embarrassing.
I spent 15 minutes fixing my hair, and it still flopped.
I ironed my shirt, then spilled water on it.
We're a mess, a stylish mess.
The best kind of mess.
I like that you're not trying too hard.
And I like that you're honest about tripping earlier.
Should we just embrace the awkward now?
I already have. Fully committed.
Awesome. Let's be awkward together.
It's more fun in pairs anyway.
I haven't had this much fun in ages.
I forgot how nice laughing with someone feels.
So, do you like board games?
Only if I can win unfairly.
I'm extremely competitive, beware.
I cheat with a smile. Good luck.
You're dangerous.
You have no idea.
I kind of want to do this again.
Me too, and maybe not spill anything next time.
So, second date confirmed.
I'd say yes, unless you say YOLO again.
Fair. I regret that moment.
It lives in my memory rent-free.
Maybe I'll say swag next time.
I'll pretend not to hear.
We're already acting like an old couple.
Better than awkward silence, right?
Way better. This is the good kind of chaos.
Our own little sitcom.
Can I walk you home after this?
Only if we narrate it like a movie.
I'll bring the dramatic voice over.
I'll bring the background music.
What's our couple name?
Elif,
Let's not do that.
Agreed. It's too soon for cringe.
Should we take a silly selfie?
With duck faces and jazz hands.
Deal, no filters though.
Brave. I respect it.
I'm not usually this talkative.
I bring out chaos in people. It's my gift.
Do you believe in fate?
Only when it brings coffee and cute people.
Smooth, very smooth.
I've been saving that line.
I think we're gonna get along just fine.
I think we already do.
I like your energy. It's weird and fun.
Yours is soft chaos. I love it.
Did you expect this to go well?
Not at all, but I'm glad it did.
Same here.
We should toast to that.
Cheers to awkward success.
Cheers to good coffee and better company.
Want to share a dessert?
Only if it has chocolate.
I'll fight you for the last bite.
I'll win. I have sharp elbows.
Remind me not to challenge you again.
Too late. It's war now.
This was genuinely fun.
Surprisingly awesome, actually.
Let's not let it be a one-time thing.
Definitely not. You owe me a rematch.
Okay, second date, board game cafe.
Deal, and I'll bring Lord Fuzz.
The sock.
The legend himself.
You're ridiculous.
And yet, you stayed the whole time.
I'm glad I did.
Me too, 100 times.
Wanna walk a little before heading home?
Yeah, let's stretch the magic a bit longer.
Lead the way, jazz hands.
After you, coffee heart.
You're gonna call me that forever, huh?
Absolutely, get used to it.
I had a really good time.
I laughed so much my cheeks hurt.
Let's do this again soon.
Tomorrow, too soon.
Not at all. I was hoping you'd ask.
Then it's a date, again.
Can we take the long way home?
Only if we keep talking nonsense.
That's my specialty.
Then we're a perfect match.